Well, what do we got here? Uh-oh. RPP. What are we getting into? Look at that. Well, looks like Scale RC Customs might be doing something with the little guys. Might get it out of the box. Axial SCX24 deadbolt. Ooh. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What we got? Ooh, some slotted brass wheels from SSD. Full set. Went brass. Ooh. Itty bitties. Look at that. It's so small. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. Let's see. 1-inch micro. RC 4-wheel drive rock crushers. Alright. Got a pair of those. I've got aluminum steering links. I got hot racing servo mount. More brass knuckles. More brass. I heard you got to keep these things weighted low. Oh, that's weird. Another set of steering links. Huh. What's this guy? Ooh, servo. Uh-oh, another servo. '24 front axle, loaded, assembled. Nice. Servo mount. More diff. Ooh. Barrage motor. More torquey. I know nothing about this game, so we're gonna figure it out. And a motor plate. What the hell we got cooking here? I guess we're gonna have to stay tuned and find out. Look at that. 4-wheel steer deadbolt. Or is it? Sure. Look at that. What does that look like? It looks like Mini Mega Goat. Love it. Welcome back, RC Crawler Talk. Today, check that out. Today, we're talking little guys, SCX24s. If you guys see my little teaser, I got a box of goodness. Here's my son's, Tim's, C10. Look at that. That's pretty sweet. He designed and printed up his own truggy cage in the back. So I put him to a challenge. I said, how many moon buggies do you see on a 24 scale? We've seen rock bouncers, some other chassis, but I don't recall seeing any. But I'm also new to this mini game, so this is all new to me. And these screws are so small. Thank you, Tim, for putting it all together for me.
No problem.
So the challenge was come up with a chassis, and I will buy the goodies to make it happen. One requirement was 4-wheel steer. Look at that. That's pretty sweet. So now it looks like my Mega Goat, my Capra. Similar. Not the same, but similar. Proportions are nice. It's nice and narrow. But man, talk about tight fit with all electronics. So before we get into that, let's get OG out the way. So Tim, what do we do to this? What's involved in this? What do we start with?
So we started with a deadbolt. We then ended up changing all the links back to a C10 to get the correct wheelbase. After that, we went to town with upgrades. So we've got hot racing brass diffs, diff covers. I think they're the 9-gram ones, so they're a little bit bigger. We've got brass knuckles on all 4 corners, SSD slot mag wheels, some Scrambler 2.5-inch tires that I bought that were way too big for the C10, so they went on this.
Yeah, because the original tires I bought were these little RC 4-wheel drive BFG lookalikes. Too small. There's no way. They're even smaller than the Patagonias.
Yeah, Patagonias sit about 2.1 inches roughly. The Scramblers are 2.5, and I think the BFG lookalikes were 1.9 or something like that. So a bit short.
So he had these laying around. They were too big for his truck, so we'll work that out in the end. But I couldn't have this on the itty bitties. There's no way. So what else we got?
So we've got EMAX servos along with hot racing aluminum servo mounts for each to make it easier. Front is 4-linked as well because we didn't have a Y-link for it. We also used we found some brass suspension link balls online, threw those in.
Bang RC.
Bang RC, that's right. Still using stock plastic horns, don't really have an issue with those. We've got a Hot Racing's new 050 motor, it's the same as the Barrage. I believe it's a 66 turn or something like that. It's got an 11-tooth brass pinion that comes with it. Also Hot Racing motor plate, because the whole mounting holes between the stock motor and the new bigger motor are backwards. So they're a bit different. We're still running stock shocks. We took the piggybacks off of them.
Just for something a little different.
Yeah. For electronics, we got stock battery. It's the only thing I can get to fit in there.
That's so tight.
Yeah. It is a Tactic 3-channel from a Ready to Run 10 scale.
Tactics. We got rid of the ESC receiver combo just for room's sake.
Yes. And because that way to go with that ESC and the smallest one we could find, TEKIN BXR. So it's
which is
tight.
Right there. Look at that. There you go. So now that it's alive and running, obviously we got some paint and some finish work to do, but you know what? I think it's time to take it out on the rocks. What do you think?
Yeah.
Should we take them out there and get a little home course running action?
Let's see what we can do.
All right. See you guys in a few.
That's the first time I've made. Well, the second time actually I only made it.
Well, there you have it. What a fun little truck on the rocks. That was pretty cool. It's a whole nother realm and a whole nother getting down on the ground to film and getting down there to see the lines and drive it. A, I'm getting used to the 4-wheel steer again, and B, I'm getting used to these itty bitty guys. I mean, in your hand, it's not very big. Did a couple of those, roll over, upside downs. Seemed like the motor stalled out a little bit, but that might have been partially because of low battery, and then I did hit lipo cutoff. So, but yeah, fun little rig. It's a good time. I'm gonna have to definitely finish it up, get it painted. Probably here in the next couple weeks, and yeah, just keep going out and enjoying it. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Stick around, like, subscribe, hit the bell, all that good stuff. And we'll see you on the next one.